Okay, now let's see how we can use custom metadata type in the validation rule. Okay, now let's go to the let's create a new roll-up summary. We want to create a validation rule. Let's create a validation rule using custom metadata. So I'm creating a roll-up summary field on account. Let's name this total spending. Okay. I'm calculating the sum of, okay, I have to select opportunities, sum of amount, okay, I'm keeping all defaults. Click on save. Okay, now I've created a roll-up summary field. Now let's create a validation rule. Let's give the rule name as minimum spending validation. Let's take the if condition, and for logical test, spec value, list field, tire. Okay, if support tire is silver. Okay, and we'll put one more condition. Insert field, custom metadata, support tire, silver. If support tire is silver and total spending is less than silver minimum spending, then it should throw a validation error. And we'll put the same for gold as well. We'll put the error message. I hope you all understood what the validation error is. If you have choose the support tier as silver and in the total spending on each opportunities amount is less than the minimum, like we only give the discount for the silver if certain amount, if that certain amount is it's less than the total spending is less than the minimum spending, then you get this error. Now let's check the validation rule. Let's create a account. I'm keeping all default. Now let's create an opportunity. I'm keeping the same name for the opportunity as well. We have to give close date. Stage, I'm giving closed one. Okay, you have to give the amount. So I'm giving 700. Now the amount is 700. Now if I go to the account, and try to change the support tier to gold, I should get a validation. $value too low for this support tier. That's how you use a custom metadata type in the validation rule.